Roberts, Johnson, and Hart. Out front with one bike. That's got to be Ryan P. Johnson. That P stands for power.
Yeah.
Changed his name to Ryan. That's pretty good. Ryan Johnson coming home. It'll be Ryan Johnson, your transfer. Who is this masked man? Romero. Romero and Stumphauser. Seen this show before. Yeah, it's a pretty good photo here. Needless to say, some of the good guys ain't going to make it out. And it's going to be Romero, your transfer. Larson. Great save by Hainer. Cut by Myers, Robinson, and Hart. Going to take the throw bike, your transfer, number 12, Chuck Hart. This is the run. Check it out. 1720 Cruiser. Stumphauser re-gains for the gang. Taking one this time, and I want to get out now. Says number 28, Randy Stumphauser. Wow. 54 coming at us now. Right on the last 30. Riders to go here with Roberts, Cutright, and Myers. We got here. So we're going to have the 89 bike of Roberts and the 151 bike of Cutright. All right, coming at us now, 1720